If you've ever wanted to create a talking avatar for YouTube, Instagram, or faceless content, but thought it was complicated, this video is going to change that. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a talking avatar inside Canva. This is perfect if you're creating faceless podcasts, educational videos, or you just don't want to be on camera, but still want a human presence in your videos. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an avatar, make it talk using Canva, and export it as a video you can use anywhere. What I'm about to show you is a system you can use again and again, not just a one-time setup. Once this avatar is set up, you can use the same process multiple times across different videos without starting from scratch each time. That consistency matters, especially if you're creating content regularly and want a reliable way to show up on screen without being on camera. So instead of thinking of this as creating one talking avatar, think of it as building a system you can come back to whenever you need it. Let's start with the first thing you need. Before we make the avatar talk in Canva, you need an avatar image first. If you haven't created one yet, I walk you through exactly how to make a high-quality AI avatar using ChatGPT in this video. I'll link it below so you can follow along. Once your avatar image is ready, the next step is deciding how you want it to appear on screen. Do you want your avatar sitting at a desk, standing in a classroom, or speaking directly to the camera? That choice matters because the scene you use affects how natural and professional your talking avatar looks. One mistake I see a lot is people using side profile images or dramatic facial expressions. They look good as images, but they don't animate as well when the avatar starts talking. This image is a good example of an image you would want to use, and we'll be using this image to create our avatar in Canva. Now that we have our avatar, let's head over to Canva to make it talk. The good news is you only need a free Canva account to do this. From the Canva homepage, click Create a Design, then choose Video. You can select a YouTube video, Instagram Reel, or a blank video. This works the same way, no matter which one you choose. Once you're inside your design, scroll over to Apps. In the search bar, type D-ID, then click on the D-ID avatars. When the app opens, you'll select Sign in to generate, then click Connect. This will take you to the D-ID website, where you'll need to create an account if you don't already have one. Once your D-ID account is connected, you can start creating your talking avatar right away. First, click Upload and upload the image of your avatar. Then scroll down to the text section. Here you have two options. You can either type or paste your script directly into the text box, or you can upload an audio file if you want to use a custom voice. If you're just getting started, I recommend using the text option first. It's faster and helps you focus on getting the setup right before adding custom audio. For the most natural result, keep your sentences short and conversational. Long paragraphs tend to sound more robotic when animated. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to use the text option and paste in what I want my avatar to say. Next, choose a voice for your avatar. D-ID has a variety of voices to choose from, so take a moment to listen and pick one that fits your avatar's style. Once you've input your script and selected your voice, you're ready to generate your talking avatar. Click Generate. Now let's take a look at our talking avatar.
And just like that, I'm talking. Canva makes this super easy. No difficult processes, just a simple setup. Now it's time to make your own avatar come to life.
Now that your avatar can talk, the next step is making it actually work inside a full video by adding animated video clips around it. A lot of people stop at the talking avatar, but what really makes videos feel engaging is how you layer short animated clips, visuals, and scenes around the avatar to support what it's saying. That's exactly what I break down in my video on creating animated video clips, how to make them, how to use them, and how to place them, so your videos feel intentional instead of flat.